Hi guys, this is Hitesh and I purchased this easy profit pages, and this time I want to see and show you what is this for. Actually, the profit pages means it will create some squeeze pages, opt-in pages, landing pages, so that in that page you can put your affiliate link and just you can drive some traffic on that your landing page and you will start making some revenue. That is the complete process of this particular software. Okay, so now this is just we will discuss each and every features out of this, and later you can decide your own decision what you have to do or not. So this is welcome message, I think, of 1 minute and 50 seconds. Just leave it. Now this is notification for welcome. Okay, thank you. This is integration here. You can see. Okay, this is integration. So what type of the softwares and tools you can integrate? This is a Weber GetResponse MailChimp for email marketing. Okay, so if, for example, if you capture some emails, so after making big list of emails, you can directly perform email marketing campaigns from here because these tools are available. You have to just connect by using API key. Simple. So now this is dashboard. Let it load because it is taking too much time right now. So this is dashboard. This is welcome message, and what is here inside? This is keyword wall. Just I think it may be for selling. So let's see. Free keyword tool. The message is here. So let me try. Free keyword tool. Okay, you can try it by your own. Okay, we should go ahead. Now this is some tutorials. You can see. This time I am not providing you any type of the special bonuses, because if you want to pick up this one, I will provide you a link below in the description. You can go ahead. And one special thing what I'm providing you, you can just tell me your choice. You can just tell me your wish. I will arrange that particular single mega bonus for you. Okay, I will put my link in the description below. So if you want to take any type of the mega, whatever, if you want, I will try to arrange all that bonus. Okay, just tell me one or two bonus. Okay, I will try to manage all that those things and I will provide you. Okay, directly member access area. So these are some tutorials. This is tutorials for overview, easy profit pages overview system, and this tutorial is for 1 minute 51 seconds. Now this is how to use the done for you campaigns. Now this is DFI setup, 4 minute video. Okay, and here you can use some done for you templates and whatever, so you can go ahead with this. So let me show you what it is. Till then we will discuss about it. Now this is let me show this more in new, so I will show you later. Now this is some integrations which I told you from here. Okay, some email marketing tools and all, SMS marketing tools also may be there. So all things will be here for 1 minute 45-second video. Now this is how to create campaigns for any niche. This is little bit important, so you can go ahead with this. Each and everything you will learn. 6 minute video you can see. Now publishing your campaign. Some 8 to 10 videos are available for training. 44-second video, and that is how social sharing tools and all. This is also, let me show you, 45-second video it is. You can see here. Now using the upgrades, now from here you can use some upgrades. Bonus builder you can create by using your pages, this option. Okay, just create like that any type of the pages in which you are putting some templates which you are providing as a bonus. So you will provide those bonuses, something like offer and all, which you will provide to the people with your affiliate offer. Simple. Now, so these all things are tutorials. Let me show you what things are coming here, which will, okay, which we clicked from here. Okay, one is this link, second one is this. So what? So this is Neo commissions. I think this is not free. Maybe it will be paid. So let me see. Hmm. This is Neo commissions. This is for aid product integration. I don't know why these things they are showing us to provide. This is passive income system. Okay, so it all this both two offers may be for paid. So let me try. Till then, just go ahead. This is tutorial. So now this is the campaign. So we will try to create our own campaign. Let it. Okay, so this is for what I don't know. I'm not getting what is this for. This is also for what? Okay, leave it, no worry. So this is campaign, just try to create one campaign. So let me show you what will come. Now campaign title is affiliate. Campaign theme color you can choose out of this. So I'm choosing a red one. This is okay. Now this is okay, just leave it. Regular, I'm choosing Times New Roman. Headline and all integration no need. What is here? Page headline. Your time reducing tool. This will be headline. Try it now. It's done from my side. For this choose file and all, we will do it later. No worry, no need right now. So I am going to save now. Please fill out this field. Which field? Okay, this is so more advanced. Okay, so I'm done. Now I will try to save this. For sub headlines, try it. No, I don't want to put some images and all. It's already taking too much time. For feel this, feel that. What button text? Okay, click here. No, it should be done. I already done all these things. Button page, button text. Try now. Let me see what will happen. Now it's done. Publish, delete, edit. Publish means let me see. This will be your link. I'm just going to copy this one. View page, you can view what type of your page will seem. So let me try what will come. Just let me show you what is coming. Okay, your time reducing tool, try it now. In this button, you will put your affiliate link. It may be any option for affiliate link or not. Embed page, download page, whatever you can do. Edit. Let me see. Affiliate and all button and this all things. There is no URL option. I don't know why it is this. What is this for? This is complete campaign. No worry. We will make one page and we will put this page inside or this campaign and then we can decide what is it for. And actually you have to go from all these tutorials, then you will understand each and everything. So I'm done campaign from my side. Now just see this resource slider. So nothing is there. So just going to create one. Product name. CV Sniper headline, CV marketing, for example. Now content is whatever. Now here you will put your affiliate link. So that is the option. So I don't have any affiliate link right now. So what I will do, I will keep my this page link, okay, just for showing you. Okay, product image, you can choose button text, get now. I don't know why this is apply link for, but okay, just leave it. Everything is done from my side. This is a resource slider, okay. So that is how you will create your resource slider. Now we will understand each and everything. Please select a file. Okay, let me show you some random file I'm going to select. So that now I'm done. This is now I'm going to create. Okay, affiliate link creation successful. Now this is CV Sniper apply link. I don't know what is this. This is my affiliate link, edit, delete, and actions are what? Copy link, go to link. Apply link is what here? For example, I'm trying this. Go to link. I just pasted this just for example. Same thing is done. Same thing is opening. So no worry, leave it right now. That is how it will work. This is your affiliate link so that you can go ahead. Now this is pages. So let me see what will come inside this. This time I am not going to provide you any bonus. Just mail me whatever you want. Your choice, tell me. I will try to manage all that bonuses, only one or two bonus, okay? Not thousands and hundreds of bonus, only one or two bonus. Tell me, mail me. I will try to manage and I will provide you member access area. That's it. So this is pages. There is no page this side. Now I'm going to create an article call to action. So I'm going for a call to action page. Call to action name now C2A. This is choose file. So I'm going to choosing this. Headline now, button text get now will redirect to your webinar page. I'm not creating any webinar right now. I'm not taking any webinars. So I'm just going to create this one and let's see what will happen, and we'll try to see how this page will look like. And then we will discuss about this social. This is social. So this is done. I'm not publishing right now. For example, I'm just clicking on this view. So this is your link, page link. You can just see from here. So this type of your page will look like. Okay, so act now, get it. Okay, so this all templates are just for helping you. So actually, you have to just learn all these things so that you can create your page. And just by using this button, your affiliate link will be activated, and from here, and anyone can purchase your product, whatever your product will be. So I'm just closing this. Now this is social. Go to social shares, Reddit, Tumblr, Twitter. Just connect your profile. I'm not going to do that. Go to some social shares. So just let's see what will come. Nothing is there. You can share a campaign from title and all. I don't know what is this account. Select campaign, which I already made. That campaign name is showing here. Message, hashtag, and that's it. Immediate post. This is like scheduling. Okay, you can schedule your post because here is coming option. See, schedule post. So you can schedule from here also. Okay, this is too much easy. So what you are going to get, you are easily getting schedulation of, you can schedule your different social medias. 3 social medias you are going to get here: Twitter, Tumblr, or one more. Let me see, what was that? Reddit. This 3 social media you are going to get here, so that you can make some, you can do a highly loaded work at a single time, and later you can schedule all those posts to make some continuity, some consistency, and later you can put all those posts and your content on these 3 social media, so that you will get some organic traffic too. Okay, and you can drive some paid traffic also. You can go with solo ads also and all those things. Now this is free traffic option. I don't think it will be too much important or too much strong. This is my page, only just preview option. So let's see what is coming in free traffic, and we will bind up after that. Free traffic only methods. They are sharing some methods. They are sharing register free. It may be some upsells or different product for selling and all. Affiliate traffic lab, viral news jacker. I'm just going to click this so that we can see what will come. Click here for free traffic. Okay, I clicked. Now we will see what will happen. Click here to submit the form for traffic. No need right now. Your traffic guide is here. Okay, we'll watch it later. Download your bonuses. We'll think about bonuses in future. Right now, I'm just going to see some traffics. So this is traffic zap. If you click on that link, I clicked on this. Any out of one of these links, I clicked, and this is traffic zap. So if I click on this, for example, 1,000 visitors for $2, just click on this. And one more, this link I clicked. So this is Tube Traffic Machine. Audio, all these bonuses they are providing. So for example, I'm trying this one. So let's see what will come. This all things I'm just using and try to get all actions on all buttons which I'm getting inside dashboard. So you will get exact idea what you are going to get. This is Tube Traffic Machine. Step 1, click here to download plugin. This is plugin actually, so that you can install in your WordPress. And just because this, just after install this plugin, there may be some different type of the traffic method, so that you will drive some traffic on your page, and you can just go ahead with all these traffic methods. So I think these traffic methods are very good because it is looking very good. This link is not currently activated, so I don't know what they are providing from this page. So no worry, just you can leave it, and you can go ahead some different methods which are available on this page. So I finished from my side. This is help, support for support decks. This is upgraded membership. That's it, nothing else. Apart from this, all of these features I discussed. I just clicked on each and every button. I tried to click on each and every button to show you what you are going to get. So I'm done from my side, and I will paste my link below so that you can go ahead for this product. Okay, so it's very easy. Just you have to create your pages, squeeze pages, and all this. You have to put your affiliate link. You have to drive traffic on those pages, and you will start your earning. You can work for ClickBank, Zevizu, Warrior Plus, and some more many CPA offers, and many different affiliate platforms are available, and you can go ahead with this. Okay, so thank you. We will meet later. Bye.